This is the best one, y'all. Spending 8 hours to get your hair braided. This only took me 15 minutes. What? This looks so good. Like the best. This is the best one. Really excited about comes from Pre-Plucked hair. Let's get into the unboxing. We have a braided wig today. As you know, Pre-Plucked hair does provide different tools and accessories if you need them for your wig install. I'll link to all of their collections in the description box. Wow, out the box. I can already tell you this is going to be impressive. So this is their boho curl braid, full lace fitted cap, and look, the knots. Look at the knots. They are perfectly bleached, straight out the box. Parting, everything look good. I haven't even took the hairnet. Let me take this hairnet off. If you love boho braids, but you don't like sitting 8 hours getting them done, we got the solution right here. Right here is a 26-inch, a fitted cap, full lace, okay, 150% density, the invisible strap. There is no wefts in this wig, breathable cap. So there's lace all the way. This is the back of the wig, by the way. This is the back. And then this here is the front. Oh, and it's so lightweight. It feels so lightweight. And the curls are gorgeous. Yes, this is human hair mixed with synthetic hair. The synthetic hair definitely helps the wig to last longer. It's braided into there, so you get a mixture of both. Oh my gosh, let's go ahead and just try this on. What I'm gonna do with this is get rid of the extra lace in the back. Now, you all this, I can just feel it, but I'm cutting right above the hairline in the back. This is gonna be like a 20-minute install. That's how good that looks. So they added the comb in the center. They are listening, y'all. This is very important for it laying flat to have this comb here, especially with the invisible strap. Let's see. Oh, wow. Y'all, look how I am blown away by how gorgeous this is. It looks like I just have tight braids. Hold on, y'all, hold on. The thing I do love about braids myself, if I wear them, I like the smaller braid. This is perfect. Put the cap. Okay, so I got the adjustable strap there, and already it's tight. It feels tight on my head just with, oh, this is beautiful. When I say this is impressive, look. I don't even have any words besides this is impressive. This is the best braided wig I've tried. It is beautifully constructed. The way they bleach the knots, I don't need baby hairs. I don't need any of that. The hair looks like it's coming straight from my scalp. Oh God, you guys, we need some colors. We need some colors in this. I gotta get myself together. I'm back, y'all. So the excitement I feel about this wig is beyond this world. Let me show you the back right quick before we go install it. I'm gonna get this installed, but let me show you the back. That is flawless. This is really, really pretty. You can part it anywhere. It's comfortable. I'm like, this is shareable for sure. The hair is very soft. So let me completely install this. If you want to wear a wig that's braided as a protective style, glue it down, because when you get braids, you want it to be that. Use the adjustable strap. I do need to put a small cut here around the ear. They did put their fitted cap on this, so you can see how flat the fitted cap lay, which is great so that you won't have no raised lace in the center of your forehead. You don't want that. Let that fall behind the ear. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm going to, where's the invisible strap? Invisible strap there. So the invisible strap is a little bit more forward. It ends right here on both sides. So when you cut the ear area, you wanna just make sure you're not cutting away that invisible strap, and then insert that comb underneath my hair. You can also glue down the back of your invisible strap wig if you would like. It's up to you if you feel like it'll be easier. I think I have a video on that already, so check out my playlist on my channel by clicking my name, and also subscribe to the channel. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this extra lace using these scissors. Now I love that the hairline, the braid here comes down further. This looks really good. There's no gap missing above the ear, so you do get that braid. I didn't have to cut too much around that ear, and I didn't have to go into the braid either. Now remember that Pre-Plucked does offer cap size options, so that's the one thing I do appreciate, and I think is very important when offering, you know, different types of. Look at that. Look at that lace. This is really good lace. Honestly, just straight out the box, this is the best braided wig ever. Ever, okay? I don't know what you guys have tried, but this is the best braided wig I've ever tried. All right, I'm going in with this lace bond adhesive spray over top of the lace. Just gonna spray just like this and just rub that around. All right, just make sure it's where you want it to be before you tie it down. Go ahead and just tie this down with the edge band and let this sit for 15 minutes or so. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and remove this band. And oh, okay, all right. Fell off. This is beautiful. I can't say it enough. So since it's not much for me to do as far as the install or anything, I'm just going to do some styles for you guys with this wig and show you different ways you can wear it. Yeah, I really like this. I can pull it up so you can switch the parting. Of course, this is what I consider the scalp area is so soft. Like when I tell you this feels like scalp, it doesn't even feel like lace. Everything about this is super soft. I would just use maybe a little bit of serum on it. Like you can add a little bit of serum to the hair. I pulled some information on how to take care of a braided wig. Okay, you can do a pull-up style. You can pull the hair back. You can create like a bun. This is what you can do. Like, isn't that nice? Like, this really looks so good, y'all. Do a little top knot. Again, it just looks like scalp. This is how long they go on me. This is a 26 inch. The ends are curled. I'm just gonna add just a simple bow right there. And if you don't like the piece here, you can pull that up too. I just didn't pull it up on both sides. This only took me 15 minutes. 15 minutes. This looks so good. Like the best. This is the best one. This is the best one, y'all. All right, all the way around, flawless. I don't have a hair bow right now that's big enough. The little rubber band that I have, because for some reason I cannot find a bow. So just flip. Okay, it didn't pop, y'all. Good. Make sure the hair is smooth. I'm gonna take some of the braids and just wrap it around that rubber band. Just pin it with a bobby pin. Now be careful using the bobby pins because they can really undo the braids. So you don't want that over time. Manipulate the hair less. So this is what it looks like. Pull up. Now I do feel a little bit more pulling on my adhesive. This is why I said to make sure you are using a strong adhesive if you want to do updos, if you want to keep it long term, all that good stuff. So this is what the back looks like. Oh, they did the daggone thing with this, honey. They did the thing with this. This looks so good. Again, today's wig comes from Pretty Luxe Hair. It will be linked below, and if they have a discount code, I will put it in the description box for you guys. This wig is a 10 out of 10. I'm hoping that we can get it in some colors because I've seen a lot of braided wigs that are just black. I know it's ladies out there who like their highlight colors or their browns. Wig below in the description box for you guys. Let me know what your thoughts is on today's wig. Like the video, subscribe, and I will see you back in my next video.